there is one person you just can't stop thinking about. It's not their looks, not their money, not even their personality. It's something else. 5 rules. And once you understand them, people don't just like you, they get addicted to you. Stay for rule 5. That's the one almost nobody understands. Think about it. You've probably met hundreds of people in your life. Most of them faded. You forgot their names and faces, but 1 or 2, they stuck. And you don't even fully understand why. Is it magic? No. Is it luck? Absolutely not. It's a science, a predictable pattern of human psychology that almost nobody talks about openly. What I'm about to share isn't manipulation. It's an understanding of how the human brain actually forms attachment. These 5 rules changed how I show up in every room, and by the end of this video, they'll change how you do too. You've felt it before. You meet someone once, and somehow, they stay in your head. I became obsessed with figuring out why. Psychology, behavior, real-life testing. And what I found? It's not what people do more of, it's what they do differently. I read research and studied behavioral economics. What I found wasn't about being funnier or smarter. It was about doing a handful of specific things that most people are doing completely backwards. Let me show you exactly what those things are. Rule 1, be less available. The brain values what it can't fully have. That's called scarcity. You don't think about what's always there, you think about what's almost there. So stop being constantly accessible. Don't always reply instantly. Don't always be free. Instead, build a life. Be busy, be engaged. Because when your time feels valuable, you become valuable. The moment you stop chasing is the moment people start noticing you. You can't miss someone who never leaves. Most people think that being always available signals that they care, but it also signals something else, that you have nothing better going on. Think about your favorite restaurant. If it was open 24/7 and always had a table, would you value it the same way? Probably not. But the one that takes reservations 3 weeks out, you're already planning your outfit. Have a real life. Invest in your own growth. When you're genuinely busy living, your presence becomes precious. That's when you stop trying to impress people. And ironically, that's exactly when you start impressing them. Rule 2, make them feel understood. Make people feel deeply understood. Not impressed, not entertained, understood. Most people listen just to respond. That's why real connection is rare. So do this instead. When someone talks, slow down, look at them. Actually listen. Then reflect the feeling, not the words. Don't say, that's tough. Say, that sounds exhausting. Like you've been dealing with it alone. That hits different. Because now they feel seen. And when someone feels understood, their brain releases a bonding response. They associate that feeling with you. That's how attachment starts. Use their name naturally. To the brain, your name is personal. It pulls attention instantly. Most people feel unheard. When you go one level deeper and reflect the emotion underneath the words, something shifts. When a person feels understood, their amygdala calms down and oxytocin starts to rise. They feel safe, and safety creates attachment. People won't recall the exact conversation, but they'll remember that being with you felt different. Rule 3, stay a little mysterious. Never fully reveal yourself. Don't overshare everything too fast. Don't explain every detail. Don't make yourself completely predictable, because the brain loves one thing, unfinished stories. When people feel like they're close to understanding you, but not quite there, they keep thinking about you. That's curiosity. That's intrigue. There's a psychological principle called the Zeigarnik effect. Our brains are better at remembering incomplete tasks than completed ones. Think about a TV show cliffhanger. You're thinking about the one that left you hanging. The same applies to people. When you reveal everything in one conversation, the loop closes. But when you answer a question and leave just a little something unsaid, that loop stays open. Open loops keep you in someone's mind. This isn't about being secretive. It's about being layered. Instead of a 5-minute explanation of your career, try. I work on something I'm pretty passionate about. I'll tell you more about it sometime. Simple. But now they're thinking about you on the drive home. Mystery is depth and depth is magnetic. Rule 4, create emotional spikes. Most people are predictable. Same tone, same energy. And the brain, it ignores that. What stands out is contrast. The people you remember didn't make you feel one thing. They made you feel different things. Curious, then comfortable. Excited, then unsure. That shift creates a spike. And spikes create memory. The brain notices change. When your energy shifts, people pay attention. Don't confuse people, but create range. Confusion pushes away. Contrast pulls in. The brain tags emotionally charged moments as important. If every interaction with you is pleasant but flat, you become background music. But if an interaction involves an unexpected moment, a challenge, a surprise compliment, or a witty tease that gets remembered, be the song that has peaks and valleys. Texture creates memory, and memory creates connection. Rule 5, have standards. Stop trying to be liked. Start having standards. Most people say yes too quickly and accept too much, and it kills attraction. Because when you accept everything, you stand for nothing. Instead, have opinions, have boundaries, have things you simply don't tolerate, calmly, confidently. The moment you have standards, your energy changes. You stop chasing, you start selecting, and people feel that shift immediately. Respect doesn't come from pleasing people. It comes from being real. Imagine two people ask for a favor. The first says yes instantly. The second pauses and says, "I can do that, but I need it to work around my schedule." Who do you respect more? Standards signal self-worth. Instead of thinking, "I hope they like me," walk in thinking, "I'm here to see if I like them." You're not auditioning. You're evaluating. When you carry yourself with standards, people will rise to meet them. Simple, but almost nobody actually does them. These require something uncomfortable, letting go of the need for constant approval. But the people who do these things don't worry about who likes them, because everyone around them already does. Most people try too hard, too eager, and then they wonder why they're overlooked. Now you know what actually works. Use it to build real presence. The most magnetic people aren't the most beautiful or richest. They're the ones who know who they are. They give full attention when they're with you, and have a full life when they're not. They make you feel something. You already have depth. These rules are about letting the most magnetic version of yourself show up. Start with one rule this week. Just one. If this made you think, comment which rule hit you the most. And if you want the next level, watch this